So hello there Unreal Squad and welcome back to my Unreal Engine for RPG series. So last time we added some animals to our game so we can play around with them now. So here now we still have this player character. So in today's video I'm gonna set up the NPCs. So last time we created the animation blueprints for those animals. So today I'm gonna create the NPC and the AI controller for those animals. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open inside I don't need this, sorry for that. So here I'll create a new one for AI controller. So I'll open that and I'll create a new blueprint class and I'll use AI controller. So I'll use this detour crowd AI controller. It's a bit advanced, so I'll call this animal AI like that. And here in my characters on animals, I'll add that to my deer, lion and wolf. So here in deer, AI controller class, here animal AI, and like that. Actually I can do this in the master class, so it will be inherited to all the children. So animal AI and like that. So let's check whether this, yeah, this one have it. So I'll open this lion and I'll open the full blueprint editor and let's see whether this yeah, he have this. And the wolf, he also have the animal AI. And the zebra, yeah. Now I'll start working on that animal AI blueprint. So actually it's a bit easy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new interface for AIs. So here I'll create a new blueprint interface for animal AI actions API and animal AI actions. So here I'll call this move to location, move to location, and I'll add a new input and I'll add one for, I'll add the new input, I'll call it target location. I'll set this to a vector and I'll add that interface BPI animal AI actions and compile this and I'll move that move to location move to location. So here, so something wrong, yeah. I'll use AI move to and the location I'll get random or navigable reachable pointing radius. Origin should be this and I'll set this to something just like 200. Okay. So on success, on fail I should again, should I do on fail, on success, wait. So first I'll call that move to location or function move to location and the instance I get control on, and here I get random navigable point radius. Location, origin, like that. Radius should be 100 right there. So on success I should, so yeah, here I'll on success I'll wait for some time, about 10 seconds. I'll wait 10 seconds, no, I'll wait 2 seconds for only for testing purpose, and when it is completed I'll run this again. So on fail, what I'm gonna do is I'll again run this one. No, can't run that one. Then I'll again run this one. So I'll check this. So to check this, I'll place one of my animals in this level. I'll place this deer. So like that. I'll just delete this camera component. Yeah, I'll just delete this camera component. I don't need the camera. So I'll delete this, compile this, and no camera. So here, in the moment this won't move because I haven't set up a nav mesh bound. So I'll set up a nav mesh bounds value. I'll size this like this, make it a bit larger like this. I'll increase the height like this, and I'll press P. So this is the area that is navigable for our deer. So as you see, now that deer is moving, so it's moving here and there, so it's not moving that far. So I'll increase this to something just like 2000. So I'll increase this, and I'll like this. So now it's moving a bit far. So now we wait, and it gets another point to reach. So actually this is the basic. So I will try placing the other animals as well. So here I'll place the lion, I'll place the wolf, so here I'll place the zebra. So here now we have placed all the animals. So let's see. Yeah, all of them are walking all around the world. So actually I won't make these animals move everywhere. So actually these wolves, normally they have a territory in the forest. So as for the lions, they have their caves, and the zebras live in groups as well as these deers. So now what I'm gonna do is I'll set up some custom states for these animals. So as you see, normally these animals sleep and they walk here and there. So here in deer, let's check whether we have a resting animation or something. So here we have this deer sleep. Yeah. So here we go. Okay, back up. Okay, and here idle breath. Okay. deer sleep. So yeah, I'll search for rest. Go to rest. Yeah, like this. So we have this one. So here I'll create a new macro for rest. Okay, like this. And here I'll add a new input. So I'll call it input. I don't need this. No. Input. This should be execute. So here I'll play anim montage, and so here I'll create anim montage for this. No, it's works. Yeah, this one. So I'll create anim montage for this, and here in deer I'll select that anim montage. So deer tag, and I'll create a new one for resting. Okay, and I'll set resting to true, and so they are resting about few hours. So I'm gonna reduce that amount. I'll set it to something just like 10, and I'll on complete I'll set this to false, and like that. So here what I'm gonna do is so here I have this VPI animal AI, and so here inside blueprints, animation plane spaces, animals, I'll duplicate this, and here I'll use go rest montage as this, like this. I'll save this. So here in the animation blueprint I'll blend process by pool, and here I'll use that other NVS2 one, and here speed site as this, speed coordinates as this, and I'll promote this to a variable, and I'll call it rest, like this. So here I'm gonna implement this by using interface. So here let's say our class settings. Yeah, I'll create a new instance for that animation interface for that. So interface and VPI anims, like that. So here rest, and yeah, we're done. So here deer, and I'll select class settings. I'll add the interface VPI animal anims. I'll compile this. So yeah, I'll make this resting, like that. Compile this, and here I'll call it enabled, like this. So here I'll call that event rest, and here I'll set this to this value. Here in our animal deer. So here in our deer I'll call that function. I'll get anim instance, and I'll call that function rest. So I take it, and like that. So yeah, I'll cut this from here. No, not right there. I'll duplicate this here to this. I'll set this to true. And here I'll set it to false. So here in the animal AI, I'll do a branch and I'll get random bool and I'll call that rest. Can I call that one? Okay, so here in VPI animal actions, animal AI, so here, so yeah, there's nothing. I'll create another one for this. So in this one I will need lots of interfaces. BPI animal. So here rest, I'll call this. Let's see. And here I'll add VPI animal. Like that. No. Okay, let's compile again. Okay, here in the event graph, I'll call that rest, event rest. I'll call this, and here I will do something just like this. Like this here. Okay, so here I'll set this like this. So here I'll call that event rest. Okay, what have I done for? Okay, I'll delete this BPI animal. I'll implement that in my AI one. So animal AI, I'll make one called rest. I'll compile, and here I'll put rest. Reset rest. I'll make it a pool like that. VPI animal animals. Okay, here animal AI. I'll close this one. Okay, this is a bit messy now. Okay, here in my deer, so here in my deer character, so here deer. Okay, class settings, I'll add that VPI animal AI actions, compile, and I'll remove this. I'll rest. Event rest. Okay, like this. Okay. Rest. Okay, compile. So I call that rest function. I'll set it to true. So let's see, randomly it should do it. So let's see whether it's doing it. So yeah, now it's resting. So now it stops resting and go back to working. So here in my deer blueprint, this, okay, I'll add a delay of about 10 seconds. So let's see whether this works. So now let's see whether deer rest for a while and get up and go back again. So that's the problem that I have now. How can I fix this? So after that, okay, this random rule, okay, I'll make a new variable here, resting. Okay, here I'll do a branch. Okay, this should okay, now I'll set this to true, and after this delay I'll set this to false. Okay, let's try it again. Yeah, now it goes to this, but it don't stay in that position. But okay, but at least we have this resting part, so I can implement that part for other enemies as well, but I'm not going to show you that. I'm not going to show you that part in this video. So you guys can add those with your add them by yourself. So as I taught you how to do it. So once again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where I will set up human characters. I will create a small level like thing so we can test out our game. So yes, that's it for this video, and see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.